Okay, another one of those pesky little things that the software ideologues come up with. In Firefox, they have now moved the tabs off to the side, which I find pretty irritating. It's nice to kind of put everything up top and together and keep your old familiar ways. Uh, I love to change, but not on this one. So it's really not that hard. Once you know how and where to go, you go into your Firefox tools, which in my case is up to the top, or if you're stuck down there at the bottom, it might be to the side. And tools to settings. And then from your settings, you go to general. I have it there um, on the screen. If you need to go slower, what you need to do is just pause the thing and take one step at a time if you need to. So you're going to general, and you will need to scroll down to find uh, down here at browser layout, and then pick horizontal tabs. And immediately, joy, oh joy. Immediately after that was clicked off, I discovered how simple old life was again. So I am producing a whole number of helps. They are not kind of perfect for the search in YouTube or other places this might appear because they're all different. I'm not niche specific. I am just trying to encourage you, bless you, whatever thing I can manage on your behalf. And I really appreciate if you make a connection. AskOurPastor.com. AskOurPastor.com is where you ask questions, but on most channels, it will also be under AskOurPastor.com or something like that. You'll have to figure it out. Please make a connection. It's for your blessing, not particularly for mine. All the best.